1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. President has expressed the confidence that precautionary measures will be taken in mosques during Ramadan to prevent spread of coronavirus. Special Assistant on Information says Prime Minister is fighting against both coronavirus and hunger and everyone should support him. Government will introduce a digital platform, namely Yaran-e-Watan, today to enable overseas Pakistani health professionals to give their inputs to overcome coronavirus pandemic. UN Security Council has asked for a nationwide ceasefire in Yemen after recent positive developments in the country. And now the news in detail. President Arif Alvi has expressed the confidence that precautionary measures will be taken in mosques during the holy month of Ramadan to prevent the spread of coronavirus. He was chairing a meeting of religious scholars currently in progress at Awan-e-Sadr to prepare a strategy for prayer congregation and namaz-e-Tarawih during Ramadan. The president said the entire nation is looking towards the government and the religious scholars to come up with a consensus policy on the matter. He said we have to give a message of unity to the nation to deal with the current situation. He stressed that the message of discipline to cope with coronavirus must emanate from mosques. He said we have to follow discipline as per the life and teachings of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Special Assistant on Information and Broadcasting Dr. Firdaus Ashiq Awan says Prime Minister Imran Khan is fighting against both coronavirus and hunger and everyone should support him. In a series of tweets today, she said our real mission is to control coronavirus in all the provinces instead of doing politics. This is no time for politics. The Special Assistant said Imran Khan gave the largest package of the country's history for deserving people and laborers. She said Punjab government has announced 1 month additional salary for doctors, nurses and paramedical staff fighting coronavirus on the forefront. Dr. Firdaus Ashiq Awan said Punjab government has also announced martyrs package for any government employee or doctor deputed to fight coronavirus who loses life in the line of duty. Special Assistant on National Health Services Dr. Zafar Mirza has said the government is striving to strengthen primary healthcare system. Chairing a meeting of Islamabad Healthcare Regulatory Authority today, he expressed the government's commitment to ensure universal health coverage. The Special Assistant said the federal capital will be made a model city regarding healthcare facilities. He said it is for the first time that a healthcare regulatory authority has been established in Islamabad, which was the need of the hour to develop the healthcare sector. He said the authority will regulate private hospitals, clinics and laboratories. The federal government will introduce a digital platform named Yaran-e-Watan today to enable overseas Pakistani health professionals to give their inputs to overcome coronavirus pandemic. This was stated by Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on National Health Services Dr. Zafar Mirza while briefing the newsmen on overall coronavirus situation in the world with particular focus on Pakistan. He said work is underway on the guideline for the holy month of Ramadan with the consultation of stakeholders concerned, which would be issued very soon for the people. The second consignment of medical equipment procured by Pakistani diaspora in Singapore through a vigorous fundraising campaign in coordination with the Pakistani High Commission has been shipped to Karachi to help Pakistan fight coronavirus. The consignment carrying personal protective equipment will reach Karachi in 10 days, where it will be handed over to the National Disaster Management Authority for distribution to the healthcare professionals. The equipment includes Tyvek suits, goggles, face shields, face masks and isolation gowns. Pakistan Navy continues its relief activities in different parts of the country in the wake of spread of coronavirus. According to spokesperson for Pakistan Navy, essential items were provided to thousands of families in different areas and protective equipment was supplied to concerned departments. The UN Security Council has asked for a nationwide ceasefire in Yemen after recent positive developments in the country. In a press release after holding a special meeting on Yemen, the council members appreciated the announcement of a unilateral ceasefire by the Saudi-led military coalition in Yemen. They welcomed the Yemeni government's positive response to the ceasefire call and called on the Houthis to make similar commitments without delay. And that is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.